Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create text message in CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to create a project in your CapCut and you have to import your video. And here I'm going to create text message in this video. First of all, I'm going to add text to my video. Go to the text and then select add text. And for the first message, I'm just going to type in hello. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the bubbles to add bubble to this text. And for the first text message, I'm gonna go with wait guys, I'm still choosing the bubble. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one and I'm going to change the color of my text. Okay, then I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and I'm going to add the second text message. I'm just going to duplicate this text, and then I'm going to change the bubble. For the second message, let's say that this is the reply to the first text message. So to make it different, I'm going to change the bubble. Wait, I'm going to select this one for the second text message. Oops. You can adjust the text length. All right, and for the second text message, I'm going to change the text. I'm going to type in hey, how are you? Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and then to make it more real, I'm going to add notification sound. I'm going to add the notification sound right here. Go to the audio, you can select sound effects and notification. Try to search for notification. Okay, and I'm gonna go with let's try this one guys. Okay, all right, and you can adjust the position, and then I'm just going to duplicate it. Okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that is how basically we can create text message in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.